Hi everyone, this is Rene. I'm with Nationwide Purchase Loans, and I am very excited about today's announcement. It is relevant because limited inventory is still a problem. The homes that are up for sale are still receiving multiple offers and bidding up in price. And due to recession fears, builders are slowing down their starts, which means that they're not going to fix the housing problem. Meanwhile, resale inventory is locked in because people do not want to give up the super low rates that they locked in during COVID. However, there is some good news, and it's that the open market is creating opportunities. We are announcing that we're able to offer construction financing that includes financing for the purchase of land, and that means that you can now take the American dream into your own hands. And that comes along with a lot of benefits, from having low maintenance in the first couple of years to having warranties that will replace things when they break. Historically, building a home was something that only the wealthy could do because the barrier of entry was pretty high. You needed a good amount of money for a down payment in order to get started. And experience was necessary yet not required, which means a lot of people that didn't know what they were doing could get in trouble and end up losing money on their projects. The way it's supposed to work is that the finished product is expected to be worth more than the amount you paid for the cost of land and construction, again, as long as everything goes smoothly. So, yes. That's what I'm telling you, and so is KTLA5. They published an article in April that highlighted data from Yardi. Yardi stated that it's approximately $200,000 cheaper to build in California than to buy a home. And it's not just California. Here's the other 18 states where it's cheaper to build than buy, and I'll give you a second to go through them. Now, you can use our loan approval to finance a land purchase and ground-up construction, or just the construction if you already have the land. You can get started with as little as $0 down if you're going to go VA, and 5% down if you need conventional financing. Max loan limits apply, and they are set by Fannie and Freddie per county. VA, however, goes up to $4 million. This is how it works. First, you apply to find out what you qualify for. Then you find a contractor and submit their information to us for approval. Once we review and confirm the contractor is approved, then you can get basic bid information and a floor plan, and just get more information. You need to now find a piece of land where that plan can be developed. Once you have both, we submit to underwriting for approval and appraisal. And once we hear back, and as long as everything goes well, you can close escrow and break ground. Couple more quick facts. Your contractor must be approved by the bank, and they are looking at more than just their history and their finances. They are doing a background check to make sure it's not a family member, and there's other requirements that will apply. You can finance the land purchase as long as you have a long enough escrow, and that's going to be, in my opinion, at least 60 days. However, I might change my mind later. We'll have to see. Build time is 11 months, which is relatively short, so you have to make sure your contractor is able to close or to finalize the construction within that time frame. The funds are released to the builder as construction reaches certain stages and after inspections from the liaison that's going to be assigned to your project by the lender. Conventional will require interest-only payments as the construction is going on, while VA will give you the option to roll in all of that interest into the loan, which means no payments during construction. A few other things to remember: the notion of building for 30% less, that 30% number coming from $200,000 cheaper in California. They basically said that it was on average $495,000 to build a home and $700,000 to buy one. Well, that's 30% less. Again, that notion is best case. Everything has to go perfectly. My expectation is that most people are going to be a lot closer to what they actually paid. The right contractor is going to be key. It is so important that your contractor don't fail you, because you're the one that's going to end up paying the price if they do. And while modular construction is allowed, it is still new technology, so be careful. You might be attracted by low prices, but it could be something that costs you later. We are so excited to join hands with you and guide you through this process. Please don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions. And if you're ready to get started, you can head to our website, nationwidepl.com, click Apply Now, and submit your information to us. We will be in touch as soon as we can. Thank you for your time. Please share this information and don't forget to subscribe. Make it a great day.